压缩机的斜盘，它有些是很宽的，有些是很窄，所以这个 bell 的话，你们要调整 ，several size 长的短的。然后刚说了，这个万能的这个钻的时候 ，not too tight， 不要钻得太紧，固定住就可以。
So when they put the compressor up here, they need to slide the carriage to line up. Line up with the pulley.
Yes.
And then here, the belt tensioner.
控制
You flip the belt tensioner up. Yeah. Watch this over here.
Yeah.
Watch this. Ready?
它是这个开关是在这里，拨拍着把这个按钮按上去，你再看到这里，这按钮按上去，它就会往上走，它会升上去，然后它自己 adjust 把它拉紧。
Yeah, that puts the tension on the belt.
Yeah.
Okay. They can just turn it to make sure it's okay.
Yes.
And they can bring this down.
Yes.
Like this here. Now, to connect.
Yeah.
This is to connect the clutch.
对，它是接那个 clutch 的，它把这个头夹在这里。
That one there.
一个红色的接一个线。
And this one's for the ground.
一个黑色的 ground， 黑色的是接地线 ground， 红色的应该是接火线。
Ground.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will show to them. 这个黑色的是接这个。
Every compressor is different.
这个是接这个，它每个不一样的，一个 ground， 一个是上面的一个线 ，two line.
It's just the power.
Yes.
So, and you can look at this here.
Yes.
Well, I got to turn here. You can look at this here.
Yeah.
That now.
Yeah.
They can go ahead and flip this.
现在开另外一个，现在已经把皮带轮接好，把那个 belt 那个 tension 也接起来。belt tension 接起来这些。
This turns the power on to the clutch.
现在是接 power crush。The crush 这 power 对。
Watch the clutch.
Yeah. Watch. Yeah. 就 put 那个按钮。Yes. Yeah. It's work.
This here is what controls the motor controller. It's already
控制这个电
It's
机的。
already set. They do not have to do anything with it.
你不要动这个，它的系统 program 已经设置好了，你只要按开关就可以。Yes, I explain.
I mean, the only way you can do it, the manual is with it. They can go on the inside, and none of this works unless you go on the inside and take it out of the program mode, because this here is controlled. The only reason this is here for troubleshooting the motor controller. The computer program, it tells this how fast to run the motor.
他说已经设置好，如果你要改的，偶尔要改的话，就看刚刚那本纸的手册，它会告诉你怎么调。这个调的话，调这个的话就会改变那个程序的那个模式，在这边调。Explain.
Yeah. I mean, it will read the RPMs up here. Now we're going to turn the power on, and this button here
最上面这个按钮是个
start the test.
开始 test 的 start test， 你要按这个 yellow 的。
When the test is over, if the compressor passes the test, the green light comes on. If the compressor fails, the red light comes on.
就你每次开始测试要按这个，它就开始，然后测试结果以后，如果它测试通过呢，这个绿色的这个灯就会亮起来；如果通不过呢，红色。所以这两个是不用按，只要按这个。啊，这个就刚刚说皮带轮收紧，这个是接那个两个控制阀的线的。下面是这个三个管。
To say is, you don't have. This is only if you want to run the test standard at the machine.
Yeah.
You can start the test and do everything from the computer.
哦，他说你这个是手动的，在这里启动测试，你也不用按这个，你在你的就在这个电脑里面，你可以start test， 就不用再去人工手动去按这些按钮。Yeah, that's great.
And these are just manual gauges, so you can see pressures. It's only something to look at while you're standing here. The computer program gives you actual, because there are pressure transducers that send a signal telling the exact pressure to the
他说
computer.
上面三个表呢，就是显示你测试状态下你的压缩机的压力啊、排气啊各块的，所以这上面是看那个数据的。Yeah.
Now turn the computer on. Just
这个是 emergency.
connecting. I have hydraulic fittings on my test fittings here.
Yes.
A lot of people just use the hose and on the hose here and screw it onto a fitting.
Yeah. 要把这个线接上去，就是这个，这个是蓝色的，这个是 section 是排那个进气的 discharge， 红色这个是排线的，然后接到压缩机的上面的2个口上面。Yeah.
So now everything on the machine is done. The compressor's inside there. The belt is on. The hoses are on. Everything's ready
Yeah.
to start the test.
他说现在线已经接好了，这2个线接好，刚刚已经讲过了。还有这个线 only the mechanical， 它就是机械阀 mechanical valve 才要接这个线，如果不是就不用再接这个线。现在这线已经接好了，因为我们这个是电控的，所以就没有接这个线。然后他现在就是这边线接好，然后再到电脑上去，一会儿调程序就可以开始测试了。Yes, explain.
Because see what this is doing, it's monitoring the pressure.
Yeah.
So it knows if the control valve is working properly on, and the screen shows this.
Yeah. 他说
Okay.
设备上面就会，
Program is installed on the computer.
他现在已经装到。
I have an icon right there. It says CETM.
Yeah， 这个就是个图标 CETM。如果你的这个computer 是那个电脑上面装好这个设备，它会出来这个 CETM 这黑色的这个图标。Yes.
Computer Evaluation Test Machine.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, to start it, I just go over there and just.
就双击一下就可以了。
Okay.
Yeah，just start. Yes， 它就会出来这个界面。Yes，test setup.
Problem floor.
先按好，开始双击 ，Yeah，click， 然后就